of the day. Hello everyone. Here are some best word of the day for children. So let's get started. Good morning teachers and my dear friends. Today's word of the day is enhance, meaning to increase or further improve the quality. Word of the day is amaze, meaning great surprise or astonishment. Word of the day is moist, meaning something that is slightly wet. Word of the day is community, meaning a group of people living together in an area. Word of the day is cooperation, meaning the process where you work together towards a common goal. Word of the day is describe, meaning using words or phrases to describe qualities or events. Word of the day is arranged, meaning putting things in a neat or required order. Word of the day is friendly, meaning pleasant or kind. Word of the day is elaborate, meaning to expand something in details. Word of the day is frighten, meaning making someone afraid. Word of the day is leader, meaning person to command a group. Word of the day is instrument, meaning a tool used to do work. Word of the day is scholar, meaning a specialist in an area. Word of the day is whisper, meaning speaking softly. Word of the day is accurate, meaning free from any errors. Word of the day is telescope, meaning an instrument that lets you see space. Word of the day is shore, meaning the land along the edge of a sea, lake, or other large water bodies. of the day is treasure, meaning a quantity of valuable objects like jewels. Videos. Thank you.